Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the problem. Unplug the extension and verify the outlet and cord are not live using a tester or known working device. Once confirmed, remove housing screws and any zip ties, and carefully open the connector or plug to expose the conductors. Make sure to inspect visually for burn marks, broken wires, or damaged insulation. At this stage, you begin the repair. Identify which conductor is damaged and where the break or loose terminal sits so you can plan the next steps. Now you repair the wiring. Cut back to healthy copper and strip roughly 6 to 8 millimeters of insulation, twisting the stranded wire to prevent fraying. If terminals are corroded or broken, replace them or crimp on a proper connector, matching the color code and polarity. This prevents shorts and ensures continuity. Slide heat shrink tubing over joints and apply heat, then position the strain relief so the cable cannot flex at the terminal. Make sure connections are tight and mechanically supported before moving to close up. With everything reassembled, you must verify safety. Secure the housing and strain relief, then test continuity between conductors and check for shorts to ground with a multimeter. Once tests pass, plug into a GFCI-protected outlet and observe for heat, sparks, or odor for several minutes. If the fault persists, is intermittent, or the repaired area warms, stop using it. Replace the entire cable or consult a qualified electrician. This prevents fire risks and ensures the extension remains reliable under load.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.